how do you get control over your thoughts? Let's investigate. First, you must have a clear and specific vision of what you really desire in order to direct your thoughts towards achieving that desire. If you are hazy about the outcome you desire, you will never be able to direct your thoughts like a laser beam, and you will continue to struggle to manifest that into your life. Second, you must disregard your current reality and only focus on your future vision. For as long as you focus on your current reality, you will manifest and attract more of that into your life. You must challenge yourself to focus on your future vision in order to make that a present reality, no matter how bad your current circumstances or conditions might be. This is going to be hard, but that is the price you must pay. However, we must not think of the future vision as a future reality. There is one more thing we need to do to direct our thoughts in order to activate the law of attraction. And that is the third key to directing our thoughts. We must merge our now with our future vision. We must think the thoughts we would think if the future was a present reality. As the great philosopher Neville Goddard said, you must think from the future, not of the future. If you wish to be financially successful, think as if you are financially successful right now, not in the future. If you wish to be healthy in the future, think as if you're healthy right now, not in the future. Start to think as if you're living in the future and operate from that point of view. That is how the future becomes your now.